Hello. So, this is a figure I did a video of, or a pair of figures. It's a one-piece thing. I did a video of it once. Well, there wasn't any fettling or preparation on this one, because this is a SPEIRA 3D printed vignette, I suppose it is. And, well, I painted it, them, and yes, so that's the amazing thing. There was basically zero preparation before painting. They came on this base, as you see, all together. That's some writing I put on. But what I did with the base is, because the plastic's quite porous, I just put liquid super glue on it, above and below, and some sand, and that just gave it, that stops it being brittle, breaking. And, well, about 10 minutes ago I just finished these two, and for the first time I dropped that bastard, and his hand with the pistol came off, and also his sword scabbard, and miraculously I managed to find both of them in an elephant's foot bin that I have. I was killed in about 1880, I think, because I found about a load of Johannesburg newspapers dated 1899, stuffed inside where that hole is. So anyway, it used to be an ice bucket, I believe. It had a lid once, but it's got a superb coating on the inside of the metal inner, which has lasted incredibly well. It's like an early precursor. Oh, it's some kind of stove enamelling, I suppose. And so anyway, back to these. Yes, incredible that I actually managed to find them. I have lost a lot of bits over the years, but isn't that typical? Just as you've finished something, just applying the last bits of mud, then that humbling thing happens. Hideous. Really hideous when things like that happen. Just because you're not holding it tight enough or something. 1 second's lack of concentration, and still worked out okay in the end. You can't really see much of a join, but I'm not going to try and hide it. Too much light, isn't there? It's too shiny. If I can... Oh, it's the camera that seems to be doing that, making them look shiny, but they're not actually. It's all shiny in reality. But they are just wonderful, superbly realistic, dynamic figures with zero preparation, which is almost unheard of for me, because I'm a person that usually spends about 8 hours minimum on every single figure, just carving and fettling and trying to perfect the mould deficiencies, or the moulding process. No, it's not well, yes, on moulded figures, that is. So, yes, be able to do 2 figures so quickly. Now, you can just see the join on his sword scabbard. It's kind of frosted, the super glue. I can't be... No, I'll do something about that, I suppose. So... it's too dark now, isn't it? date. I'll stick it on the diorama. Bar.